Welcome to Math in Plain Simple English, and I'm Rob. So let's talk about a problem that we see a lot of in math, and it's really a real world problem. It's something that we can use every day. We probably use it without even really thinking about it. And the basic problem is what we call distance equals rate times time. Distance, which can be feet, miles, things like that. Could be meters, kilometers, whatever, but a length from point A to point B. Rate is speed, how fast you're going, and time is time. It could be hours, minutes, seconds, whatever. So that's distance, rate, time, and that's a problem we see all the time. And it really is a real world problem because if you're going to go on a vacation, maybe visit a relative, go visit a new school, go for a job interview, drive from one state to another state, and you're going from your home to the other place, you mentally calculate if it's this far and I'm going to drive this fast, this is how long it's going to take me to get there type of thing. So let's just do a practice problem. So I'm just going to make this up. Suppose we have a lake and you've got a little dock with your boat down here at the dock. And you're going to drive your boat across the lake to visit a friend over on the other side of the lake. And let's just say that the boat travels at 3 miles per hour. And then let's say it takes you 2 hours to get to the other side of the lake. So how can we use this formula to find out how far it is across the lake? Well, the 2 hours is your time, and the 3 miles per hour, that's your rate of speed. So we're going to have distance equals 3, and I'm using a little circle there for multiply so we don't get confused with x's as variables, and 2. So 3 times 2 is the distance is going to equal 6, and we had miles in hours, so our distance is going to be 6 miles. So across the lake, 6 miles. Pretty easy, right? Makes sense? So then let's say you decide to head back and maybe a couple friends are going to go with you so the boat doesn't travel as fast. And you get in your boat with your 2 friends and you drive back across the lake and you tie your boat up to the dock. And let's say that this time it takes you 3 hours to get back home. How fast is your boat going? So we come up here with our distance, rate, time formula. So 3 hours is our time. That's how long it takes us to get back. And now we're trying to find the rate of speed. So R is what we don't know. So I'll just go ahead and write it like that. You might write it 3R, but we'll just keep the R in the same place. But what do we know? We figured out going that way that the distance was 6 miles. So we'll put our 6 in here. Because when we went from here in 3 miles per hour for 2 hours, we knew that it was 6 miles. So 6 equals the rate of speed times 3. And then we got to get rid of this 3. So if we divide by 3, they cancel. So we divide by 3 on this side. And we get 2 equals the rate. So again, it'll be 2 miles per hour. going back to the doc. Simple math. Watch another Simple English math video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Don't ask Dad, ask me how to solve your math problem.